Now this is master card. Each lock has one master card. I give you. You put one time master card. Put one time. Then you put the user card. Now you can add open door cards continuously. Okay. Now this card can open now. Can open. Now add the user's card successfully. Now you also can use this programmer controller issue open doors, issue open door cards. Now you should press the controller password 46. Now then this lock LED red flash. Then you can key into 1 hash. Then you can put a user card. You can continuously add cards one by one. Now this user card can open door lock. Now open, close. Now has a different number. This number, each card with different number. You must remember user's card number. Please save this number in your computer. In case user lost his card, and you can cancel the lost card by a card number. We also can use this program controller at the remote controller. And firstly, you should also lock into programmer status. Put password 6666 hash. Then you press 5 hash. Then put one time this button. Okay. Now this lock. Add this remote controller. This remote controller also can open this lock within 30 meters distance. Now please I open this lock. Okay. Open now. Open. Close. Now this remote controller can work now. Now if you want to cancel user's card, you can use the master card. This master card touch lock 2 times. Then you put the user card here. Now you can continuously add different numbers user cards. Now user card can't open now. Can't open. If someone lost his card, you also can use the programmer controller cancel user's card by card number. You must remember user's card number. Now firstly you should enter password 6666 hash. Then we put 4 hash, and the card number is 1 0是多少？38 38 38 4530 hash. Okay, the lock will red flash. After this LED become blue light, and now this lock cancel this lost card number. This number as can't open. Now this card can open. Even someone get this card also can't open the door. Now can't open. Can't open. No, can't open. Okay. Now you also can use this device at cancel remote controller. Now you also password key into password 6666 hash, and then put 91 hash 91 hash hash. Okay, now this lock cancel the remote. It's okay. Now this remote can't working. Now the lock can't open. Now you also use this device open this lock. You can put hash 8888 hash. Now open. Close. This is default password. Open door password device. If you want to change this device open door password, you should key into programmer password hash 6666 hash. Then you put 1 2 hash. Then new open door password. For example, is 14723 at 14783 hash. Now this device open door password is new password we changed. Now let me try. Now new password open door this device hash 14723 hash. Now open now. Close. Okay. Also you also can change this device program password. First you also enter program mode and the red flash. Then you can key into 18 hash new password 2 times. Okay. With this light become blue light, then it is successfully. Okay, now in the future you should enter the program's mode by new password hash 1 2 3 4. Just like now, the red flash. This is the program mode. Okay. This away. Now take this cover. Okay. Now, if you lost Mastercard or this device, programmer controller. Now you can put this button. Now this one. 光线好一点，给你指一下。Now this button, this reset button, this one, this reset button, yes, this reset button. We can add a new master card or program controller this device. Add a new one. And each lock only can have one this device and one master card. You can press this reset button until this LED become red flash. Then you can put the new master card. Now, okay, the lock will solve D. Now this is the new password, and all the cards, open door cards, will be deleted automatically. If you lost this device, you also can change a new one. Also, you should put this reset until the red flash bright. Then you can put any key. And the red flash. Now okay, you change the new remote new program controller. Now, my friend, you can connect these cables with the charger. Now this leave line, this neutral line, this one, and this one. Okay. In emergency, if you can't open by user's card or remote controller, and this device all can't this door, you can use mechanical key opened. For example, use this tool. Take out the cover. Now this mechanical key can open.